Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Nail Talk Live e-workshop. And tonight, our e-workshop is all about the new product that Magnetic Nail Design and all of its distributors are launching this coming weekend on the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th of September. Because on these days, it's international or worldwide magnetic discount days. And during the discount days, we always launch the new products as well. Well, tonight I have many new products for you. I have a new gel polish collection. Is it love or is it desire? A new must-have set, a stamping plate, even a new Shape and Cure It little light, which is touchscreen, and of course two new fiber gels in the colors peach and of course frosted pink. So, we have a lot to do. I'm joined here this evening, of course, by Gillian in the director's booth in the back and by Deborah, our international trainer. But for now, I first have to say, let's get started. And I see that a couple of you are already watching, which I really appreciate. So Nihilistica Svetlana from Switzerland is watching, and we were there last weekend, and with we, I mean, of course, Gillian, Cerisa, Jessica, Silvana, and myself visited our distributor Doby in Sur, which is actually in Switzerland, near Zurich. And later on in the show, Gillian prepared a nice behind-the-scenes video of how that trip went, or how the VIP event went with our distributor Doby. And Svetlana, I promise you that you're also in there. I also see Jessica, of course. I see Krisje. I see Natalia, who's also watching. And a couple of people are commenting on my wardrobe choice of this evening. Well, this coat is actually vintage and it's a morning coat, and I wanted to dress up a little bit, especially for all of you, and with red because our new gel polish collection is of course mainly red orientated. So thank you for all of your sweet comments. Henriette is live. Well, we're with 50 people. Cerisa joined us. Indira is also live. Indira also had a great weekend, I think, when I look back at the posts on social media. So well done. And I'm very happy that all of you are joining us. Also, Amala from Bosnia is here. Hello, Amala. That was a great event that you had. And I think that we need to get started. Deborah, you are not here only for Nail Talk Live International, but you were also here because for the last 1.5 weeks you had a special project.
Yes, that's very true, Pepijn. Well, hello, good evening, everyone, and nice to see you again because it's been a while already. But yes, I have already been here for like a 1.5 week, of course, a little bit off and on, for recording with Cerisa for the next season of NTL International. Actually, all the product of the month seasons we are recording, and of course, the products. So it will be awesome.
Yes, Cerisa prepared all the scripts for the international Product of the Month shows for 2025, and Cerisa did the demos this week together with Deborah, who by now is really a profi when it comes to doing the filming, isn't it?
Well, that's only something another one person can say, and not me. But actually, I have to say that I really enjoy doing it, and I love to be behind the scenes also. So yes, I think I want to be that profi because, well, Gideon really gave me that vibe that it's really fun, and yeah, it hit me. So yes, I love it.
I also see that Magda is watching, and Magda was last weekend in Poland together with our distributor Monica, and that was also a great event with very enthusiastic and very energetic nail techs, getting to know magnetic nail design and spreading the love that we all have together. I also saw from the corner of my eye that Bianca is also there. Hello, Bianca, and of course, hello, Nadia and everybody. I wanted to say regarding Magda, that Magda, together with the whole team of UK and Ireland magnetic distributors and trainers, is organizing various online e-workshops this coming weekend to celebrate the Magnetic Worldwide Discount Days. So, if you're not in Holland and if you don't want to visit our shops in Soesterberg, Weert and Kaatsheuvel, then you can join us digitally. Just go to Magda's page and I'm sure that all the information is there. Unfortunately, I don't have it from the top of my mind. For this workshop this evening, you can win an amazing prize. And to win that prize, you have to do your homework. So let's begin with the homework. The homework is create a set of 3 nails inspired by the designs made by Deborah with a touch of love or desire, which is the name of the new gel polish collection. And yes, you can also work on color pops. So 3 tips or nails with a touch of love or desire inspired by the demonstrations of Deborah. If you do that, you have 2 weeks to complete your homework. That means that the deadline is set on the 25th of September. Upload using the album New Products. If anything needs improvement, Jessica will contact you. And of course, you will then be granted your e-certificate. But for the lucky 3, they have a chance to win the amazing new collection Is It Love or Desire by Magnetic Nail Design. And Deborah will introduce this to you momentarily. But these colors are an absolute must-have for every salon all over the world, because they're very posh, very classy, beautiful colors. And let's be honest, you never have enough red or pink tones in your nail studio, and this collection is totally spot on for the perhaps a little bit more mature lady, but also for the young girls, even for the nail art fanatics like Jessica. There is a color for everybody. In the month of September, you can expect a couple more e-workshops as well. So let's have a look at what's coming. Next week, I'm very excited and very privileged to have Catharina Conchard be in Holland for a Shape It training, and she will also join us in International e-workshop with her approach to air nails designs. So next week on Wednesday, join us when Catharina is back in the Netherlands after a long time and is showing us in the e-workshop air nails. And to conclude the month of September, of course, Jessica will come back with the second part of her booth camp. And this is called Blending the Colors. So this e-workshop is all about shading, highlighting, giving light and dimension to your designs. So a lot of fun things to happen. The month of September is also the month of Fibergel. All of our Fibergels are in promotion with a 20% discount. So if you want to get to know this amazing gel that enables you to create super thin, longer salon nails in a beautiful nude look, this is the moment to start shopping your Fibergels. Contact your local distributor or a trainer, get to know the Magnetic Fibergels, and I'm convinced that you will love Magnetic just as much as I do. And talking about discounts, this weekend is the Magnetic Discount Weekend. All over the world, contact again your local distributor on the 14th, 15th and Monday the 16th. We are launching new products. There are discounts and above all, inspiration. So, I also see that Armine also joined. Hello Armine, so happy that you're back live with us. I really appreciate how you, Armine, help your clients to participate in Nail Talk Live e-workshops. Thank you for that. You are just simply the best, like May always says. For now, I have to go to the first of our new products. And I already mentioned it. Is it love or desire? That's the question. And with this gel polish collection, the answer is it's both. You will desire this, you will love this, and your clients will be totally enthusiastic when they see this complete collection. Gillian, can you show us the collection, the poster, please? Here we have our beautiful model, Joelle, captured by Gillian with the 6 different shades that make the collection Is It Love or Desire. And before we go to Deborah, this was actually one of the first collections that we did as a collaboration between Gillian, the art department, Cerisa, myself, and this was the first time that Gillian was the primus inter pares that named most of the colors. And he did that with an amazing touch of himself and perhaps a little bit of AI, but it was spot on. So Deborah, I would like to ask you to introduce to us all the beautiful collection, Is It Love or Desire?
Well, that's a hard choice because it definitely is both. But before I'm going to show you all of these beautiful colors, I have to show you the packaging because look at this.
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing?
It is reminiscence of the 20s, Charleston,
Yes.
love, passion.
So gorgeous. And it's created by the art department, of course. And I think Marike especially made this one, Pepijn, is that right?
Yes, Marieke, who's working at the art department in Magnetic Nail Design, she created the artwork for these bottles and the packaging. The names was a collaboration, but the look and feel, it always starts with a look and feel, actually. We have colors, we create a look and feel, and then we think of commercials, but that will come a little bit later. I cannot wait for the colors.
Yes. So I will start with the first one, and I will show you straight away. Let's have a look. And this is Secret Temptation. I'm sorry, I go a little bit lower. Look at that beautiful artwork. And what I'm also showing you is how I display them to my clients. Is with this little ring, the ColourPop ring, which is very easy when you put it on your stand to show the color immediately without opening the bottle all the time. It's
Yeah, and
really
you're
cool.
using actually the tips of the Your Perfect Hand
Yeah,
model, nail
absolutely.
tips.
Yes.
But you could also use Ultraform number 4.
Yeah, also it's very fittable. Yeah, so that's also a great idea. But I already have these, so still using them. And of course, what color does it extra take? Well, here we have it on a ColourPop in the regular color. Of course, in the extreme matte version, which is also very cool. And when you take a little sparkle, you can get this amazing color. Isn't that cool, Pepijn?
Yeah, I
Isn't
love it.
that
And the
just
last
amazing?
one is actually the Mystical Shimmer Red.
Yeah.
On top of the beautiful red Scarlet Temptation, I believe.
Yes.
And I also like
Secret Temptation.
no, Scarlet Temptation, my darling.
sorry.
Scarlet is red.
So sorry.
And which do you prefer, glittery, matte, or shiny?
Do you really need to ask? I don't think so. I really prefer the glittery one. But to be honest, I like it with a classic touch too. So I wouldn't do all 10 with only the glitter, but I think I would make a combination of the classic red with a shiny surface and the glitter. So yeah, that's for me.
Yeah, and I would definitely go for just the shiny nails because I love red burgundy nails. So this is a slightly darker red, really suitable also for the more southern European countries where the clients really like to have dark red nails. But we have more.
Yes, here we have another beautiful, more pinkish color, the Passionate Plum.
I'm
Look
just going
at
to
this.
zoom out a little
Yeah,
bit.
a little
Jaap is
maybe.
asking me in the comments, so I'll do my best. But now I forgot already which way to go. No, Deborah, I'm doing it.
Oh,
Otherwise, we're both doing it. And then I lose connection, so
I will not touch it.
no.
But again, it's a beautiful color, and I will show you the same combination with the basic color, the matte color, and of course the sparkly one.
I think you have to do it. I don't
Yeah?
have any connection,
Okay.
strangely.
Then I will do it a little bit. Is this far enough? If I
I
take
think
the
so.
bottle?
Yeah, oh, beautiful, thank you.
This is better, right?
Passionate Plum.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And of course, with these shimmers, it's absolutely amazing. And a great choice also, the blue one. And we're not ready because we have 6, of course. And here we have the Velvet Flame. Again, a more pinky, well, what is it, old pink, what we can say?
Yeah, perhaps
Color?
a vintage pink.
Yeah, vintage pink. That's a great, better name, yeah. And in the same way, but this is a different sparkle, of course. We can spray on sparkle. And with the shiny surface, the matte, and well, look at this. I think for me, yeah, this is a good combination. I really love it. I will go a little bit quicker maybe because I'm just stunned by the colors that I just keep on watching. And here we have the Lush Violet. Look at that. It looks
Yeah, and
like
the screen
neonic.
doesn't do its justice
No,
because it's
true.
almost neonish.
Yeah,
in
I want
color.
to say neonic color. It's really beautiful. And here we have the ways to show or display them in a shiny, matte, or glittery surface. Really beautiful. And maybe even with this color, I hold it up a little bit, then you can see it's like this. And it's a little bit better than when I put it down.
Yeah, and Henriette comes with a great idea. All these colors are also amazing in a milky look when you combine them with a pastel blush shade for the milky effect. So the base color is a love or desire color, and then finishing it with a milky effect with the pastel blushes. Great idea, Henriette. I want to see a post with that.
Really a great idea, Henriette. I'm also going to show you some extra ideas after the first collection. And let's go to another one. And this is Ruby Whispers, a really, really bright red. Some people say it's really like for summer, but it's for every season. It's so gorgeous. With the matte, the shiny, and the glittery surface. Isn't that just amazing?
Yeah.
Really gorgeous, really gorgeous.
This is like the ultimate red.
It is, yeah, it is. It's like the Ferrari underneath the reds, what I say, right? It's always, that color is like amazing. I have more, let's go on. Because we're talking about red, and this like more an orange red, a really great color. It's Ember Embrace, really beautiful. So bright. It always, well, it almost gives a light. And here we have the combination of them three. So the shiny, I will do it like this. The shiny, the matte, and the glittery surface. Well, aren't you already mesmerized behind the screen?
I'm
think-
absolutely mesmerized. But Henriette promises to show a super cool set of nails with a milky look. Well, Henriette cannot wait. Thank you.
Yeah, that will be cool. And what I can also show you a little bit different is this combination. It's the glittery look, because how glittery you want to have it? With the rhinestones. I put them in a...
So these are the love or desire colors
Yes.
combined with the awesome crystals.
With awesome crystals and then all in matte to give the awesome crystals a great effect. But on these colors, oh my God, I mean, Christmas, where are you? It's like already coming into your face. It's so amazing. And I thought these colors need an extra diamond because they really are that classic.
Perhaps it's nice when you keep them there and just put a box of the gel polish with it
Yeah.
that you showed at the beginning, and we'll make a first
I'll
screenshot.
put it a little
Just
bit to
because
the
we can.
side,
Yeah, and the box a little bit down.
like
Yes.
this.
So, 3, 2, 1, screenshot. Well,
That was a
this is just stunning for the holidays.
Yeah, right? It is. Oh, I know it's still far away, but actually also very close. So I wanted to show you that. And I want to show you another one with glitter because that's me. This is also, and it's a little color I'm going to show you later. But first, with two of the colors, you can also do a glitter underneath and make an ombre. Because these colors really are easy to process. The ombre is absolutely easy, and when you brush them on quite thin, they are very transparent, so that is amazing for doing an ombre. And underneath is the Starburst glitter, which I put in the top coat, put on the nail, and over that I added the colors. And this, in the back, I mixed the same color that I put here, and this color is this one, the Scarlet Temptation, and with a little bit of black in the back, and then you get this awesome combination.
It's beautiful. I think we also need a post from you with this as a set of nails.
I can do that. Yes, of course. That
Especially
will be
for
awesome.
International Nail Talk Live.
Yeah, oh, for it? Okay, I will do that. No problem. I really love to do that actually. So I have to have a volunteer for glittery nails, but I think I can find one. So these are the colors that we have for now. Aren't they just amazing?
Do you perhaps have a color pop so that you can show us how it covers?
Yeah, of course. I
Available,
do.
because I want to see at least
Yes.
one.
At least one,
Polished.
yes, of course. If you're okay that I put it on a stand like this.
We know that you always put everything on the stand, so
Yeah.
that's cool.
Because it shines. And okay, let's not go into that. And what I always do is add a little bond. So when I want to save my tips, my color does never come off anymore. Sometimes it can happen that your color in the end will come off, but it doesn't. So which color do you like, Pepijn? Should we do the Ruby Whispers?
Yeah, well, let's do the Ruby Whispers. If only for the name, it's already a must-have.
It is. It really is. So I put it, here it is. And I will put my finger right here.
And you see that you have a beautiful coverage, even when
Yes.
applied very thin.
Amazing. And not even pressing, I'm just fading it out over the nail, or the tip in this matter. And this is only one layer.
Nadia says that the dark red, the new amber orange with Ava apricot in an ombre, is uber sexy. She made it today and she loves the colors. Well, show us.
Yeah, that will be cool. That would be really cool. So this is only one layer, as you can see. Can you imagine how it will look when you add 2 layers? Shall I do it? Shall I cure this one and add another one?
Yeah, well, perhaps that's an idea.
Yeah, let's cure it.
Just give it a short cure,
Yeah,
30 seconds,
30
of course.
seconds.
We have a volunteer for your glitter nails.
Oh yeah?
Tessa Lagerwij. So
Ah.
who knows? Perhaps once it can happen. And Stephanie really likes the fact that you're using the round rings. They're, of course, magnetic nail designs.
they
the
are.
Colourpop rings, and they're available in the web shop. Also during this weekend with a 15% discount. Nadia Munk, show us a picture, our colleague Katri is asking. And Gemma, our ambassador for Nail Talk Live, says that the whole collection is super cool with little hearts in her eyes. And I agree, Gemma. When I saw these colors, I was totally in love. And I had to dress the part today, of course. While Deborah is applying the second coat and everything cures, I propose that we go to our new commercial made by Gillian and Katri with our model Joelle for the Is It Love or Desire? Just a wonderful vibe, beautiful colors, a beautiful model as well. And Joelle has been a model of one of the faces of Magnetic a few times now. And I think we have to keep on asking her because she exudes femininity and a certain kind of pizzazz. So beautiful, well done, Gillian, and I hope you will all love this commercial and show it to your clients in your nail studio that these are the colors that are new for the autumn, and of course also in your classes if you teach, etc., etc. Mei Liang, of course, says, "Whoa, this is such a beautiful commercial, Gillian." So I had to put that, run it through across the studio. Thank you, Gillian says, because he's in my ear. Well, not physically, because then I would break. Love this commercial, Henriette also says, and Cerisa also love this, as well does Magda. Well, I hear a twin light peeping, well, in this ear, not in this ear, here. So is it done?
It is done. Yes, look at this second layer. How beautiful is it? It's
Yeah, I
just
love the
an
color.
amazing color. And that shine is already amazing. It's not even with a top coat, and already this shiny.
Yeah, it's
And
super.
self-leveling. Really
Like a
cool.
breeze. Well, Jaap is complimenting the lighting that Gillian had in his commercial.
Yeah.
So, of course, that is
true.
what Jaap is really into at the moment, light and dark photos and videography, of course. So sometimes I'm talking with Jaap and then he starts to explain lighting and light in general and then focus, and that is really sometimes a bridge too far, but we love the photos that Jaap makes. Are you following Jaap and May and seeing their photos? If not, follow them on Facebook, befriend them, and see those amazing pictures, signed like a true artist. Do that, just for us. Of course, you always want to see these colors also on real hands, and that's where our ambassadors come into view. So I have a couple of photos of our ambassadors that they prepared for our social media content. Let's go to this first one. This is done by Amber de Leeuw from the Netherlands, and she always has a certain style where she uses her thumb to show the color and the bottle. So that's one. Angelique Abbas is showing the velvet flame, so the little bit vintage look on beautiful, very sharp nails. Then we go also here to Lidi Adenk, one of our new trainers and part of the magnetic competition team. And she has added a little bit of a nail art on the Lush Violet. And we end with another photo of Gina. And Gina is one of the younger ambassadors, a blush babe. And this is also the violet color. So in real life, these colors always show better on hands, etc. That's why on our website, when you choose a color, we always have photos. If you scroll down, we have extra photos of the hands of models using or wearing the colors, because it makes it a little bit more lively. But I do recommend you to visit a magnetic distributor, or if you're in the Netherlands, visit us in Weert, Kaatsheuvel, Soesterberg, or a distributor, and check out the colors in reality, because in real life, the colors are always slightly different than on screen, whether it's a computer or a TV. For instance, that Lush Violet has a little bit of a neon in it, which is difficult to catch on camera, and you have to see it in reality. In Soesterberg, we just put all the bottles open for you, and you can test them, polish them, feel them, because in the feeling lies the magic of magnetic. Let's go to our another new product, and that is the must-have set.
Yes. And that actually is a sort of set that I asked for, because this color, I really love the blueberry color. Look, 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 look. Isn't this just amazing? The violet vibes. And look at that artwork.
And it's a
So
spot-on
cool.
trend color, because you see it a
Definitely.
lot in clothing.
It is. It really is a spot on trend in everything. Clothing, even in curtains I see them now. Yeah, it's really strange, but I did saw them. It's true. It's really cool. And of course, we have the matte and the shiny version. Look how beautiful that is. It's like a blueberry effect they give you. A little bit purple bluish color. Really, really, really nice. And of course, for the glittery people, we have the glitter violet vibes.
And this is really a stunning color.
Oh, yes, it is.
You don't even see how stunning it is until you make it matte, because then all of a sudden you see all the glitters. It is really mesmerizing.
Yeah, it's completely filled with many, 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 many glitters. I can keep going on with many because it's completely full of glitter. So let's have a look. This is the shiny, and here's what Pepijn is talking about. You see how many glitter, even when it's matte, it's still very glittering. Oh. When I saw this color, I thought, yes, I need it. And I had already done my nails, and then I thought, okay, next week I have to put this color on. It is really, really gorgeous. And what I told you already, I wanted to show you with this color, because I combined this color with the beautiful purple color.
Oh, that is cool.
Yes, so I made the Lush Violet and the Violet Vibes together to get this combination. And I added a little bit of black in this color, and that's why you get that darker part of the purple.
But the middle part is just a reaction of the color on top
Yeah,
of the glitter.
on top of the glitter blue. Yeah.
Whoa, that is really cool.
Yeah. So that gave an awesome effect. And because the back part is darker, then you get dark purple on the purple and then the blue combination. So I thought, I think they can also work together, these colors. So isn't that just a great must-have to have
Yeah,
like this?
and I have Gerry, and she's asking, is it easy to polish this as well with all that many glitters? And I know from the show of Monday that it is, but perhaps you can show this, Deborah.
Of course I can show you, because I already have a tip. And this one I buffed the surface a bit, because that's a thing that many of you do. And here I have some glitter on, and it's really easy. Let's do just one stroke. You can see already how easy. It's not thick, it's really easy to brush on. And it's also, if you see it from the side maybe, or like this, I will do it like this, how smooth the surface is.
Beautiful.
It's really easy and
So,
smooth.
Gerry, a super smooth and easy application. And almost covering in one coat.
Almost, yes.
By the way, Liz, you're asking which was the blue color from the France-related collection. Well, that was Mont Blanc Blue. Mont Blanc Blue. I will put it in the comments as well. From The Picnic in France, ou La Pique-Nique à la France. Well, my French is not there, but the color is. I'm going to put it in the comments. You need to polish also a base color for your design later on, I
Yes,
believe.
yes, yes. But that I will do with, of course, the regular violet vibe. So that will be this one. And I will add a little bit of that color on top of my design, what I'm going to create. Or on top of the tip, depends on how you look into it. But I'm going to create something with this color, so yes.
And Agnes is asking, are these glitters also nicely reflective? Yes, they're reflective, but
Oh,
you need to have a little light on it.
yeah, of course. Use
Do
your
you have your
telephone
light
light.
with you?
Shall I do it? Oh wait,
Yeah.
yes, then I have
We're
to.
going to use our light to show you how it shimmers and glimmers and sparkles.
I will just do that, okay? Wait. And here we go. And full light. So, when you want shine, you get your shine.
Oh,
Look how reflective
it's
that
like a
is.
disco ball.
Yes, it is. It's so cool. That's what you always see on the videos. You just do like this, and you have your effect. Isn't that just, oh, I can keep on going.
Yeah, this was a trick I learned from you, Deborah.
Yes,
We
really
wanted
cool.
a product testing. This is when we get together with a couple of girls and I, and sometimes also May, and we get together and watching new colors, etc. And Deborah was with a little flashlight. Look at this with the flashlight. Look at this with the telephone. Look at this. And I was like, but Deborah, people also look at their nails without light. And she was like, they shouldn't. They have to watch their nails in the sun.
Yeah.
And it's blinding.
Yes, it is. I know that's a couple of years ago, but now when you look on the internet, everyone is using that light. So I think, haha, it was trending. So yeah, it was a bit strange maybe then, but in the end, it works very good. So when you see yourself in the sunlight, then you know, yes, it reflects very well. So amazing.
Peggy Coppens is asking whether or not this is the same viscosity as the glitter of last year or easier. Well, it depends a little bit on the color, the pigment that is used for the glitter, but this is super easy to polish. Peggy, just come to one of our shops in the Netherlands, because it's a Dutch question, so I know that you're either from Holland or Belgium. Just visit one of our shops or distributors to feel it for yourself. And then I'm sure that you are convinced that it's super easy to work with.
Yes, that's true. So Pepijn, what do you think? Should I start with my first design then? Is that just a great idea?
Yeah,
or
but only the base layer, or are you going to go all the way?
that depends on what you want, because base layer is just a little tiny bit.
Well, just apply the base layer. And while Deborah is applying the base layer with the violet vibes, of course I have some photos of our ambassadors to show you how it looks on a real hand. Here we have Amber again. Amber is from the north of Holland, making beautiful content, and it was actually our very first ambassador. It all started with Amber. Next we have Angelique Abbas. Beautiful, beautiful shorty nails, very clean, and she combined violet vibes with the violet vibe glitter for this amazing, beautiful, spot-on trendy effect. We also have this example of Gina, and Gina used it on a beautiful model. I would love to work on these nail beds, nice and slim, totally the glitter version of the violet vibes. We also have here Luelle. Luelle is now in South Africa for a 3-week-long safari, but she made this before her vacation, also on a beautiful model, stunning nails. Blue is always a way to go, with a dark denim, with a little black dress, even with perhaps a beige color. Blue never goes wrong. Lastly, I have our star, our queen of nail art from the Netherlands, Jessica, and she has here a set of nails created with the violet vibes and the violet vibes glitter with the stars that she showed us last week. So if you want to know how to create these stars, this design, check out the workshop of last week or prepare yourself for 2 weeks from now. So beautiful examples of these various designs. Before I go to Deborah, I have 2 more new products to show you. One of these, by popular demand, and with popular demand I mean Sabine from France, is the Half Moon Scissor, available now for left-handed nail technicians. Especially for Sabine, but for all left-handed nail technicians and nail studios, the Half Moon Scissor. This is the ideal scissor to cut your forms with, because we never want to use a precision cuticle scissor to cut the form. We want to use the Half Moon Scissor to cut the form. And this one is specifically, sometimes I trip over my own words, but that is part of the job, specifically for left-handed nail technicians. The last thing that I want to mention is something that I still have not physically in my hands. It will arrive tomorrow. Back from the past, let's show it. The Smooth Operator is back from from where it was. It went on a holiday, but now it's back. But now in a hygienic version. So the smooth operator, which is a sponge buffer, this means that it's softer than a normal file, so it's easy to remove scratches from a filed surface of the nail. And now hygienic, so you can work hygienically on your clients in a 100 grit version, 25 pieces, or a 180 grit version, 25 pieces. Both are packed with a core so that you can immediately start using these. It may be a little bit deceiving because if you hear a buffer with 100 grit, you may think to yourself that, hey, that's really coarse. But a sponge buffer is actually quite soft and quite smooth. So you use it after you use the 180 grit file in the similar movements to remove all scratches of the nail surface, to prepare it either for perfect gel polish application, to buff it to a super high shine, or to seal it with a top gel. Everything goes. Especially to introduce the smooth operator, we also have this available in a sample pack containing 100 grit side, 180 grit side, and a core, so that you can experience the perfection of the smooth operator. The smooth operator, the name says it all, smooths everything, even the things that you didn't know needed to be smoothed. Anyhow, we go now to Deborah because we have another new thing, and it's a stamping plate.
Yes, we do, and a great one. I think for me and Jessica, or maybe more of you too, these are the best plates there are. And it's another animal plate. Let's have a look. Isn't that a great? And you think, but I can already see those things. I did see them before. Yes, you did, but now they're bigger. So easier to apply on bigger surfaces, which is really cool. And of course, I have the plate in real life for you too, right here. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, and it was made in conversion with Jessica, because Jessica helped us to choose the most popular animal prints.
Yes, true.
And we made it also slightly bigger, so it's easier for longer
Yeah,
nails.
yeah, really cool. It's card 69 animal prints. So really cool with the snake, with the leopard, the bigger leopard, the zebra, the giraffe, well, of course, the paws. And when we talk about these paws, these paws we are going to use at this point. And if you can look at my tip, I blended the violet vibes a little bit. So it's not completely over the surface. I left the behind part empty, and that's because for another product, but that will be in a second. First, I have to show you this beautiful stamping plate with the paws. So what I'm using at this point is a liner black, and I just rub some liner black into the design. I press it a bit firmly because I really want to have a good coloration of the paws.
Yes, I see a comment of Laurence, Laura Nails, and she says, we never saw the winners of the Bordini nails, but these winners were posted in the group because we went into our summer vacation, and the winners also received their prizes by mail, of course, by now. So we did definitely contact them, and it was also posted in the group. So perhaps you missed that, Laurence. Anywho, the Bordini technique was great. I love it. Love to do it again.
Well, here you have the fully colored paw plate. And now I'm going to remove the excess of the black. I will do it a little bit extra because I really want it to be good in the paws. And it's not really a bad thing if not everything is covered, because we don't use it all. And here we have.
Do you have to apply it so into the stamping plate using your brush like you did, or is it enough just to do a little dollop and just scrape the hell out of it until it covers everything?
You can do that too, but I just always prefer to do it like this. And I learned that the paws, I learned that the paws need a little bit more push it in, because they're little mini tiny surfaces with the nails. So you really have to be sure that you put it in there. So, but it's actually then the result is so really cool. So let's have a look when we take it up.
Always with a rolling movement.
Yes. So now you can, well, I'll put it like this. You can see them on my stamp.
Yeah.
And I will take my stamp and just roll it over again like this.
Oh, so cute.
And if you want, let's have a look, where's another paw? You can add always, if I'm not in the screen, one more paw to the surface. That's really easy to do. And what is important at this point, that you cure this for 1.5 minutes because it's liner black and that's very pigmented, so it needs good curing time.
Yeah, it's a little bit discerning to me that the cuticle area is not covered. It's like
No.
I get a little bit of a short circuit in my brain. But let's wait what happens for 1.5 minutes, and then we'll see what Deborah will make of it. Magda says in the comments that she cannot wait to show all of us her animal designs this coming weekend. Well, Magda, at what time is that workshop and where can we find that? Can you please post that as well? Because then perhaps when I have a little bit of time, I can just sneak in and say hi. Because I'm very busy this weekend, as are you, Deborah, because you are going to our shop in Kaatsheuvel.
Yes, that's right. And I'm going to do a workshop on Saturday. And my dear colleague and friend Demi is going to do a workshop on Sunday. So it will be very cool. Of course, we'll be there in store also to do some extra demonstrations when we walk by, or when you walk by and ask us, Deborah or Demi, can you show me a little thing of this, of that? Where we're not doing our workshop, you can ask us everything. So everything you would like, you can ask.
And we also have trainers, of course, in our shop in Weert. There we have Wendy van Heesel, but we also have Linda.
Yes, yes.
Linda travels all the way from Kaatsheuvel to Weert to help over there with the demos. And there's a little bit of a competition happening on the Sunday, so that Dutch clients from the south of Holland are able to win the new Is It Love or Desire collection. Here in Soesterberg, headquarters, I'm in the shop together with Cheryl, while Cerisa and Katarina Conchar are at the demo stations. Miranda is taking care everything about course information. Anouk and Katri are behind the register, and upstairs and behind the scenes, our whole team is ready to get all the packages and orders ready for all of you in the Netherlands. So, because I know that you cannot wait to get your hands on the new products or on the existing products, because the discount is on the existing assortment and the new products don't have discounts. But in between, I want to have a check out what Magda is doing. Let me say, it will be at 1 p.m. BST. Is that Holland 1 a.m. or is that England 1 a.m.?
What is it? Yeah.
In her group online workshop Magnetic UK and Ireland. I will try to get there, but Magda just sent me the details, please, per
Then
WhatsApp.
it will be 12 in our country, I think, because it's 1 hour
Probably.
later there.
Probably, or it's two there and one here.
Oh, I thought it's 1 hour later there, but well.
Amela has this weekend a beauty fair in Sarajevo and organized 3 levels of competition. Good luck, Amela. We're really proud of what you're doing. And I want to see the photos on the socials, and I will like them and share them, of course. And let me see what else. Is there something? Oh, yes, there was something that I wanted to say. But what was it? Nadia, you were asking if Pepper was the model for the little paws. No, his paws are actually quite big. He has big paws. A big Pepper dog. British Standard Time, 1 hour earlier in Holland. Well, thank you. Thank you, Jaap. 2 o'clock our time. Well, I just wasn't in the whole British thing at the moment. Sorry. Let's go back to you, Deborah, because the paws are now cured. Where are they running to?
They are running to a new product. And you know what it is, Pepijn, because we have 2 new colors in our fiber coats. That's what they are running to. So do you want me already to show you, or do you want to talk about it a little bit?
Show one.
All right, that will be great. Because we have 2 beautiful new fiber gel colors, and they are super, super, super cool and easy to work. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're going to show one.
One, I'm going to show you.
Because the other one we'll show a little bit later.
Later. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm too enthusiastic, so I wanted to show you already. So let's go to the first one I am going to show you, and this will be the Frosted Pink fiber, and it's called Gel Blush because it's in the line of the blushes. But it is a fiber gel, which is really good for longer nails if you want to work with, but it has the softness of the blush colors, if I'm correct. And I will open it for you because we have that
Well, the
little-
softness in color tone.
in color tone. Yes, 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 yes.
But it feels like a real hard gel, so it's
Yes.
also super easy to file down.
Yes.
You can apply it super thin, super strong.
Yes, and this is the great design of the jar. Isn't that just cool? Really
Yeah,
beautiful.
love it.
Yeah,
And
me
Sabine
too.
also said fiber gels are my favorite gels. I know, Sabine, that's why we added them. And Magda says the best. Yes, agree.
Well, and then I'm going to work with this beautiful color. And I'm going to work I'm going to work a little bit different way. Because I'm going to work with the ombre gel brush, which has this tip. And of course, what I told you, this part is open, right? But I do need a little layer to pull it over. So I add a little bond. And then with my ombre brush, I will take a little bit of gel. It's really easy to work with, really, really, really. Dab it onto the surface gently from the one side to the other side, and I will just put the jar to the side. And you see how easy it stays on its place. It's really, really easy to work with.
Cerisa says, I made a nail with this color today and it's really yummy.
Oh, yes, it is. We even didn't do something else which we actually wanted to do, but when we saw the color, we thought, let's not.
Yeah, and I see that Elena Galitzuk says, it's so self-leveling gel. I'm in love with the peach, as is also Magda. And I have to say, I have the peach on my own nails. I also love the peach, but I always like a warmer tone. This is a little bit colder,
Yes.
cooler, but we have many, many, many clients that love this color.
I will dry it off on a dry wipe. So I remove a little bit of the excess on a dry wipe. And then I'm continuing with blending it in the surface. And you can see the transparency of the paws, but still the covering in the cuticle area. So when you put this gel on a client, it's very covering, but when you want to blend it, it's also very easy.
Tessa Lagerwijs says, thanks to your workshop, Deborah, with a modern element, she's fallen completely in love with the fiber gel. Such a great product to make super strong and thin nails. Well,
Aw,
thank you, Deborah.
Yeah, well, thank you, Tessa. It's really nice to have you and have you more times already, so it's really cool. Look how cool this already is and easy, just with your ombre brush. Ombre tool, ombre brush, sometimes I
It's
get
like a color
confused.
boom all in one.
Yeah,
A color paw boom.
it is. It is, sort of, yeah. But what I'm doing right this moment, maybe add a little bit more to the front, and then I will leave it and cure this for 1.5 minutes, and I will finish this part with the Builder Gel Clear. And why I use the Builder Gel and not the Fiber Gel, because it has a little bit more transparency, and I really want to see the pause between the color. So that's why I'm using the Builder Gel Clear. And it's easy because all of our products are really working greatly together. So that's nice to know.
I made a little mistake because the compliment of Tessa about the modern element nail and falling in love with the fiber gels was actually for Sabine. And she said, I'm super happy that I made you discover that amazing range. Well, Sabine is also an amazing trainer. But Deborah, you also make me fall in love with especially little lights that make all the glitter shine.
I hope a little bit more too, actually, because
Of course.
I'm joking. So my fiber gel now is in the LED, and then I'm going to continue with the Builder Gel Clear. After that, I will file it a little bit. So then for the end result, I have to do a little extra after the filing. So I will be back in a short bit, okay?
Okay. Yeah, well, that is for me a little sign that I have to take off. Well, Tessa says that she's planning to come to your 3D training in Weert.
Oh, that's
so that's
so
also
cool.
good. And you made her fall in love with Shape-Its.
Thank you. Yeah, you were really great with your designs.
It's an animal boom, a color animal boom. Fiber gels are my favorite, Indira says. Oh, amazing, says Marina Fialco, who's coming all the way from the Baltic, and she cannot wait to see the peach. We'll show the peach just in a little bit, Marina. Sabine says, we are a team, we all work together, and we all love Magnetic. Yes, the Magnetic family, of course. So Nadia says, K-Pose, easy gel to work with. K-Pose, okay, well, cool gel to work with. Anyhow, so the magnetic discounts days this weekend, the 14th, 15th, and 16th of September, you can shop magnetic with discounts all over the world. Contact your local distributor to get information about the availability, what the demo program is, what the workshops are that they're organizing. Is it online or also physical? Well, Amala has even a trade show in Bosnia this weekend, so you can shop magnetic products with a discount, but we're also launching, not discounted, the new product, and that is why we do this show this evening. So contact your local distributor. If you don't know who your local distributor is, don't hesitate to contact me at info@magneticnaildesign.com or send me a message on Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Don't use Instagram or this email address. I will check it all and I will get you in contact with your local distributor. If you want to become a magnetic distributor or trainer, you can also contact me and I will help you further. Of course, that's what I'm here for. This weekend, Gillian, Syriza, Jessica, and Silvana went to Dobie and I joined them. I wanted to say it differently, but I joined them. And we flew on Friday from the Netherlands to Zurich, where we had to take the train because the taxi wasn't there. We had to take the train, the 5 of us, with all of our suitcases, and we went to Sur, where our distributor Dobie is located. On Saturday, we had a VIP program. The 3 trainers, Teresa, Jessica, and Silvana, gave 2 different classes each, and the visitors were able to rotate. They were also able to visit the shop and, of course, enjoy the magnetic experience. Super organized by Javi, who is the brand manager in Dobie, and, of course, Joanna, who is the academy manager in Dobie. And I had the pleasure of having dinner together with Tommaso, the CEO of Dobie. So this adventure, even though it was 28 degrees in the shade, we enjoyed ourselves and we had a super fun time, and I want to show you what happened. And I need to mention also our Swiss trainers, because they were there to help us all in translation and to have a wonderful time. They were truly super friendly and we had a blast and we laughed a lot. And that was, of course, Beatrice, Natasha, Svetlana, and Lexi. The whole team was together with the team of Dobie, and we made a great weekend. Joanna, of the academy manager, Javi, of the brand manager, the marketing manager. It's a big company, and we enjoyed their hospitality immensely. On Thursday or on Sunday, we flew back. We went home, and on Monday morning, it all started again, and we continue through the discount weekend. And of course, next week, because there's never a dull moment with Magnetic, I want to quote Jaap, never a dull moment. We always enjoy what we do with our heart and with our soul. I think you're finished with filing. I see her doing something, the little one over there.
Yeah, mini-me, that's me. I'm adding the Flex and Shine now on the surface of the complete nail, as you can see. Because, of course, wouldn't this just be great with some pigment on top? Well, I have to cure this for 1.5 minutes. But before, or no, not before, I just wait because I want to show you something else. But I am going to prepare my pigment. So I'm using, as you can see, the Unicorn Pink. And I love the pink in combination with this blue color, or violet color. It's really, really beautiful. Of course, you can use every pigment you want, but for me, the pink and the blue are really a great combination. So it will be really awesome. And I take my pigment shaper, and be sure that your surface is clean. So no residue of earlier used pigments. Clean it, please, because then it gives a better shine to your surface.
Before you go there, Jaap is asking whether or not Gillian brought his drone, and the answer is yes. He brought his drone, and we went outside. I was waving myself a little bit of cool, and Gillian was filming. And the new camera setup with the iPhones really worked out great. That was just great. Perfect screen. It was super easy, and we were able to travel very lightly, which was very nice. So at least we were. Of course, the girls had a little bit more luggage, except Jessica, because she was really traveling light. Anywho, let's go back to you.
Yes, because it has been 1.5 minutes in the LED, and let's see what is going to happen and what I'm going to do. So I have the pigment, and I have this color, but what I want is to let my pigment be on this part for the most of it, and on top just a little bit. So what I will do is add the pigment for actually everything right here, as you can see already what it's doing. And I rub it in firmly over here. Firmly, 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 firmly. And now I'm rubbing it completely over the nail. So most of my pigment is right here.
Yeah.
And now I will rub it completely over the nail. So there's a little bit of unicorn shine on
cool.
my violet color.
I didn't know that you were able to do that.
Yes, you can.
Make like an ombre.
Yes, you can. But you have to be
It's like
sure
a rainbow,
that the
Gillian
most
says.
of it is rubbed in right here, and then with the excess, you can just blend it out on top of your...
Nice, because
design.
that doesn't make it super, 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 super unicorn.
No.
But it's like a hidden unicorn.
Yes, it is. And then you have it. Oh, there you are. Like this.
Yeah, super cute.
Isn't that cool? And of course, I have this already prepared for you with some other colors. And then you have... I'll just hold it in my hand. That's better. Better to see for you. Like this. And here I added the fiber gel in the center. And I rubbed the pigment in the center and blended it out to the sides.
Cool, Deborah.
This is really nice.
But I think I love the paws.
yeah, me too.
I'm a little paw ball.
Yeah, me too. I'm a Paw Patrol, Paw fan.
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. I'm a
And
Paw fan.
Sabine says, sorry, I missed something. Did you use a magic shine or reflection shine? Well, Sabine, Deborah always uses...
Flex and shine, yes. To put also added my rhinestones, if I can show you one more time. I added them too on these designs. This is also the flex and shine.
Oh, you applied your rhinestones
I
with the
applied
flex and
my
shine.
rhinestones.
Yes, Sabine,
Yes.
Deborah does everything a slightly different way than the rest of us does.
Yeah, yeah.
But it works. And you know what also works? Cure the flex and shine for 1.5 minutes before you rub in the unicorn pigment, and it becomes totally smooth. I couldn't believe it before I tested it myself, but it really works, Deborah.
Yes, I know, because otherwise I wouldn't say. Yeah, because I tried it until I almost weighed an ounce. Well, took a while, but it really, really works. So just cure it for 1.5 minutes, and you have the most smooth, shiny surface there is. So try it. If you're not really convinced of your 30 seconds, try 1.5 minutes, and you will be like, oh my God, that is amazing. So yes, it really, really works. And this-
Janelva is asking which color it was with the ring of stones. I think the color that you just now showed. Which
it
color is
was
that?
this beautiful color, the Amber Embrace.
And can you show the design
Yes,
sign
of
once
course.
more? Well, Janelva, especially
Oh, no,
for
no,
you.
I'm so sorry that you did the other one, right? I'm sorry.
I think so.
This one. It does not, it's
No.
not that one. Sorry. Well, I actually wanted to show that one too.
Yeah, of course. Janelva, this is, I think, the color
Passionate
that
plum.
you meant. Passionate plum.
And then in matte, of course, with the awesome crystals.
And Sabine is saying, so it works better than with magic shine. Super interesting information. Well, Sabine, for Deborah, it actually really works better. Deborah is our top gel tester. She tests all of our top gels. So try it.
Ah, yeah, try it at home. This is something you really can try at home. It's really cool to do. So, Pepijn, do you want me to continue already?
Yeah, I just wanted to mention that, of course, we have a discount day this
Oh,
weekend.
yes.
3 days, the 14th, 15th, and 16th of September. We're launching all of these products, but you can also shop the old and trusted assortment because Magnetic Nail Design are products that you can really build your business on. That is what we stand for. Strength, trustworthy, durable, stable, safe. Those are the keywords that describe Magnetic best, together with fun, family, exciting, beauty, and Deborah, amongst many of our trainers and faces of Magnetic. Because we've come to the fiber gels. This was the frosted pink fiber gel, but we have two fiber gels. Here you see them both. The frosted pink fiber gel is in the middle, and on the right there is the peach fiber gel. And I find it a little bit deceiving because the picture shows it quite orange, but if you look on the left nails, these are made with the peach fiber gels, and the right nails are made with frosted pink, and you see that it's a beautiful warm nude tone with a super strong coverage, and you have a beautiful design prepared for us.
Yes, 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 I did. But of course, I want to show you the colors also in real life. So here here you are. Here are the colors in real life. So you have the frosted and the peach. You can see it's not that orange. The picture is a little bit deceiving indeed, but these are the real colors. And now we're going to work with the beautiful peach. And oh man, you can work such great things with these colors. So I will get another tip ready and put it on the stand. But before I'm doing that, I'm going to continue with my paper palette. Yes, I'm going to do something else, of course. And I will add a little bit of the Amber glass gel. Put it in the center like this. And in that glass gel, I will add these matte glitter, which is really cool.
Yeah, Magda says the color is absolutely not orange. It's just perfect and looks so much better on nails than on the Colourpop. I agree. I have one on my own nails, and it's just absolutely stunning. I want to have them all in the peach.
Tomorrow, Pepijn.
Or the day after.
You will get it.
This is the pink matte glitter on special
Yeah.
request by Sylvana, of course.
Yes. And I also add a little bit of shiny orange. And this is the neon inlay.
Just because you can.
Of course. And add it on top. Not too much, but a little bit more than I had. So, like this. And gently stir it together until you get this lovely mix.
And of course, the glass gel polishes are outlet colors. These are on super discount, so check out with your local distributor the glass gel polishes. We have 12 for this beautiful transparent effect in 12 beautiful colors. And this is the amber, which is that dark, warm, embracing orange color.
Yes, absolutely stunning for this time of the year. And as you can see already what is happening, and I will just take it up with my spatula and put it on to the tip. A little bit more, like this. And today I'm just working with my umber brush. So again, I'm going to take it to the one side and the other side and blend it out a bit.
Do you often work with the blush brush, the ombre brush?
Umber brush.
Or didn't you bring your other brush?
Oh yes, I have my full package with me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I love to work with this because you have those little eeny-meeny points. It's really easy to get in the corners. So you can try it on a client if you want, because when you have the cuticle area, it's really easy to go in there without touching it. So just try it.
I
once.
think it's good to try it on clients because tips don't pay the rent.
No, no, definitely yes. But of course, tips can make your rent better when your clients see your designs.
Absolutely. Grazia Placientino says hello everyone, and I say ciao Grazia.
So blend it out a little bit and then cure this, because it has to be cured, but not so long. 30 seconds is enough.
Yeah, and I think you have a special light that you want to use when you start
Yes,
curing
that is
it.
so true. Now, oh my, I'm so happy that you remind me, Pepijn, because I almost forgot a super, super, super important thing. And it's right here.
It's been in the corner of the screen all evening,
Yes,
but there
yes,
it is,
yes.
the Shape and Curate light, specifically
Yes.
made for use with the Shape
Shall I
Its.
zoom it out extra? Oh, there it is. There it is.
There
That's
it is.
maybe better.
And this is well, touch screen, I want to say, but it's a touch pad.
Touch light, yeah.
Touch activated
Yeah.
by using the silver ring. If you touch it with your skin, it turns on, and it makes it super easy to
Like
work with the Shape Its.
I mean, maybe I can do like this.
And then it's blinding.
you can see. Yeah, and don't put it up too high because then I don't see nothing anymore. And now tip it and it's off. Super easy.
Yeah.
And of course you can completely turn it off by pushing this button and there's another completely off button. But what is also very important that you can charge it. So it's not on batteries. It's really easy. Just put it in the, what you call eigenlijk een stekker.
And in the outlet,
In the outlet. Okay.
yeah? Plug it in the
Plug
outlet.
it in and charge it, and then you can use it. As you can see, now it's on, and now it's off. Yes,
Well, I
it's
love it
really
as well.
easy.
It has a flexible arm, so
Yeah.
you can really
Yeah.
properly place it
Like
and
everywhere.
hold the finger of your client while you are applying the Shape It in the perfect position. Just tick it on, and it turns on. You can freeze it. It actually has 3 LED bulbs in there. 2 of those are specifically made to activate LED curing products, and 1 of them is specifically made to activate the traditional UV curing products. So in all, the whole assortment of magnetic products can be cured. Of course, I do not recommend to cure it to cure the whole set with this, which is possible, but to freeze cure it. And of course, it is portable because there's a lithium battery in it, which you charge. So you don't have to put in new batteries. It's a chargeable battery. So perfect for everyday use.
Yeah, and as you can see, I'm now also curing my glass shell, which is very easy. That's why I put it like this. Normally it's just stands like this, of course, but I hold it like this, so that's easy to charge. And it's glass shell, so that's very easy. And I think actually it's already done, as you can see. So tip it off, put it to the side, like this. And here we go. So we talked about the peach color. And here we have the jar. Again, that beautiful design. I will open it up. And this one, I didn't remove the foil completely.
Yeah, and some trainers prefer to make a little round in the foil
Yes.
to prevent leakage.
Yes.
You prevent to open the foil. I do recommend to remove the foil if you don't travel with your jars,
Yes.
because that will make sure that the screw thread will remain clean.
That is
While with flapping back and forth the foil, it can get a little bit of gel on the thread.
Yes, that's true. And then you get the leakage, so we don't want that. Well, I already told you with the ombre, when I do ombre designs or go in slightly small corners, I prefer to work with this one. I don't know why, because I don't know why I do things, but I think it works for me. So let's have a look how I do it. I will take up this gel, again with the brush. Of course, you can also use a normal gel brush, which I have right here. And this is the Oval 6. But I want to blend this one out. So I will add it to the line of my mix with the glitter. Build it up a little bit more to the back
It's a beautiful color.
or to the front, depends on how you look into it. Yeah, you see the grade of the covering, right? It's really thin, actually, but it's really good covering.
And it's perfectly self-leveling. It doesn't seep into the cuticle or the side walls.
No, it's really great and just stays on its place. Where I put it, it stays there. And I make it a little bit more oval. And what I will do at this point, clean my brush again on a dry wipe. I never use a wet one, always a dry wipe, because that's easier when you want to continue. I will turn my design around and I will blend the fiber gel into the orange mix. And you see how easy that goes. A little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more. And when I'm done, I will cure this. I will put it in the LED and I will add again the Builder Gel Clear. But of course, I already prepared this one for you, and then I'm showing you the end result.
Beautiful, Deborah.
Isn't
I
that
love
just
the
cool?
effect.
That's cool, right?
Absolutely.
So you make some pink matte glitter, orange, or every way you like it. And of course, I did that too with the frosted and the pink glass gel, which is quite
I would
different.
never have come to the idea of doing this with the pink matte glitter
No.
because it's really a different color.
Yes, true. Yeah. That's
I also asked Deborah, what did you use there? Because it's not magnetic nail design. And she said, yes, it is. And I said, no, because we don't have that glitter. And then she showed me this, and I was like, huh?
yeah.
I would never have thought of that.
No, but I did, and I have, of course, yeah, and of course we have more fibers. But I also wanted to show you it with the white one we have, and this is with the red glass. So then
And
you
is
have,
that the white or the ivory?
I'm sorry, the ivory. You are absolutely right.
Good.
The last new one. Good for you. Good.
Very nice also.
And with the red glass. So there you have three combinations, which are really, well, different, but still very soft and also great for this time of year. So that's quite cool, I think. So you can give your glitter a whole new color, just mix it a little bit.
Okay, hold them still. Let's do our countdown. 3, 2, 1. Screenshot. Beautiful, Deborah.
Thank you, Pepijn. Thank you. Like
Yeah.
this.
We covered everything.
Yeah, I think we did. Yeah.
And it's only 11 minutes past 9.
No.
Yes, you are just a star. Really cool, great, Deborah. Elena Galichuk says, it's magic, Teresa says. Ivory, very gorgeous, says Pias Rivora. Pias, you love the ivory, it's very gorgeous. Well, I loved it as well. So perhaps you can prepare for the last screenshot, and then
Yep.
I'll go through the homework with you guys, because the homework is relatively easy, because we want to make sure everybody has a chance to win the prize. Create a set of 3 nails inspired by the designs made by Deborah, but with a touch of love or desire. And you are allowed to work on color pops. You have 2 weeks to complete your homework. The deadline is set on the 25th of September. Upload your homework using the link that you can find in the album New Products. If anything needs improvement, Jessica will contact you. And don't forget to submit your step-by-step photos, no more than 4, and the final photo showing all of your homework together. If you do this, you will receive your e-certificate, but you also have a chance. 3 people have the chance to win the amazing new collection, Is It Love or Desire? Here you see it displayed. This is also how you should display it in your salon, because one client will be attracted to this design, the other client will be attracted to that design. It's not only the color that makes them attractive, it's the name that makes them attractive and the artwork. It's the whole shebang put into one. That was our show already for this evening. I really loved your designs, Deborah.
Thank you very much, Pepijn. And I hope you at home or in your studios also loved the designs. And of course you love the new products, because that's actually the things that made it happen to make these great designs. And I hope to see some more awesome designs of you, of course, because I can't wait what you're all going to create. And of course, put in your love and your desire. So, I can't wait. Really cool.
Let's have a look at the screenshots for tonight. The final photos of the collection that you made. These are the ombre nails, the glitter nails, and the stamping nails with the unicorn pigment on it.
Yeah.
So that means let's join together. 3, 2, 1. Screenshot! Perfect
Shorty.
designs for the nail studio. Perfect for autumn as well.
Absolutely, yes. and
Not too
very
difficult
easy.
and
No.
relatively easy to make. Quick to make in your studio, because time is money. And that's important to realize. But I see that she puts on another collection for the screenshot. I see that from the corner of my eye.
Yes.
But then we first have to go to the top shot, Gil. He's going back and forth, back and forth. This is, of course, the Is It Love or Desire collection,
Yes.
with not a hint, but bedazzled with awesome crystals, all done by Deborah. So, 3, 2, 1. Screenshot! Beautiful, beautiful designs. Thank you again. There are no winners this evening. No, because we started last week. So the winners we will pick up next week again. So next week we will have winners again, and we will be back. And I will, of course, go live during the discount weekend, this weekend in the Netherlands at headquarters where I am. And of course, check out what Magda and the British and Irish trainers are doing on her group. Visit local distributors or go to the trade show in Bosnia or contact Armine for more information about how to get the new products. Just find your local magnetic distributor and I'm sure they are super excited to help you and introduce you to the wondrous world of magnetic nail design. For now, I want to thank you for watching us this evening. In a brick group, I see a comment of May. Thank you again for this show and thank you all for watching. Have a great weekend and make our clients love our new product. And I think that's the mission at hand. We will do this. And thank you for all of your inspiration and ideas, Deborah Dorise says. Anywho, I want to thank you all for watching us this evening. Join the Magnetic family this weekend in the Netherlands or far outside of the Netherlands. You know, if you want any information, don't hesitate to contact me at info@magneticnaildesign.com or send me a private message here on Facebook and I will reach out to you and help you to the best of my abilities, as do our trainers. I want to thank you, Deborah, for being here after such a busy week, still having the energy to show us all and inspire us, Deborah.
Well, I want to say thank you too, and thank you all for watching. I really hope you liked it, and of course, this gives me a lot of energy to do. So when I'm busy with something that I love, it's energy for the whole week again. So let's continue soon. Thank you, and bye-bye.
I see a comment of Peggy. If you are coming to us, Peggy, here in Soesterberg, just take my hand and tell me, hello, I'm Peggy, I came a long way, and I'll help you and to test the products and get you hooked on magnetic nail design. Good luck, everybody, this weekend. This Friday, I will have a podcast with Silvana for our Dutch viewers, and it's all about social media trends and how to incorporate that in your daily life. Thank you, Gillian, for making it all work. Thank you. See you soon. See you at Nail Talk Live.